Welcome back everyone. The plan for this video was the self-balancing robot version 2. All the bits and pieces are here to construct it, and I managed to print the frame off this week. So just came upstairs after working on it and have struck some issues, and I thought I'd just put a little video together discussing them. So let's take a look at it now. I've been working all week getting my printer set up running PTG, which has taken a lot longer than I was expecting. However, finally got some prints off it that are quite usable, so it's not looking too bad now. And the first of those prints was actually the new frame for the self-balancing robot version 2. So started today, got the motors mounted up, very nice looking, nice little compact frame, and started putting the circuit board together, and struck an interesting little problem. When I fitted the stepper motor drivers, it didn't look quite right. Anyway, a little bit of further research, and the component that I used on the circuit board design, as it turns out, it's reversed. Or the component that I used, the layout that I used, is designed for the driver carrier to be mounted face down on the circuit board. I guess I could do it that way, however it would mean that the heat sinks would be underneath the driver, and I doubt whether they'd fit between the driver and the circuit board, and even if they did fit, they'd be bloody useless, because difficult for the air to move away from them through convection. So after many swear words, a little tanty, I've come back upstairs and taken a look at the circuit board layout, and basically pissed off those component layouts and edited a couple and made my own that are the right way round. So I will publish the circuit board design and the schematic. There were a couple of other things that I did find when I was putting the circuit board together, a couple of capacitors that weren't really probably the right size, or the pads weren't right spacing, so I'll fix that up as well. And I've ordered them to be shipped. I use EDA, and you can just order straight from your design tool. However, as you know, Murphy's Law would have it, Chinese New Year starts today and runs for about a week, so the circuit boards would normally take a week to get here. Throw an extra week on that, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be looking at this project again for about another 14 days. However, in the interim, I just want to sort of keep moving on this. I've already done a video looking at the circuit diagram, and essentially nothing's changed in that, so I'll put a link in the information below so you can go back and just take a look at the plan and what the circuit looks like. And I also talk about the board layout in that video, which now has a couple of small changes. However, I'm also going to take a look at the code. Now, the code's not just a rehash of version 1. I'm treating the MPU a little bit differently. Also, I've been doing some reading on AI and machine learning lately, and if there's enough memory left, I'm hoping that I can do a little bit of testing with AI or machine learning and see if we can get it to do some smart collision avoidance. Anyway, I haven't put that code in yet because I just want to get it up and going to start off with. So next video I'll just do a bit of a run through of that code, and that's what we'll be testing once the thing's put together. Okay, cheers for now.